What is the spectral type of the star Sirius A? And the answer is A1V. Who discovered Uranus in 1781? The answer is William Herschel. Where is the massive star R136A1 located? Answer, Tarantula Nebula. How long does light take to travel from the sun? Did you guess it? The answer is 8.3 minutes. Why does a star become a red giant? The answer is hydrogen loss. What is the escape velocity of Earth? And the answer is 11.2 kilometers says. Who first measured the speed of light? Answer, Ole Römer. When was Pluto discovered? The answer is 1930. Where is the asteroid belt located? The answer is Mars and Jupiter. How many moons does Jupiter currently have? The answer is 95. What is the primary gas in Venus's atmosphere? Time's up! It's carbon dioxide! Who developed the galaxy classification system? The answer is Edwin Hubble. Why are neutron stars extremely dense? The answer is degeneracy. What is the period of Halley's Comet? The correct choice is 76 years. Where is Olympus Mons located? Time's up! It's Mars! How does a pulsar emit radiation? The answer is magnetic poles. What gas is most abundant in Jupiter? Here is the answer, hydrogen. When did the Voyager 1 mission launch? And the answer is 1977. Who proved the universe is expanding? And the answer is Edwin Hubble. Why do stars twinkle when seen from Earth? Did you guess it? The answer is atmosphere. What is the brightest star in the night sky? Time's up! It's Sirius! Where is the Chicxulub crater located? Answer, Yucatan. How thick is the Milky Way's stellar disk? Did you guess it? The answer is 1,000 light years. What is the surface temperature of the sun? The correct choice is 5778 K. Who is the namesake of the Kuiper Belt? The answer is Gerard Kuiper. When was the first satellite launched? And the answer is 1957. Why is the moon tidally locked to Earth? And the answer is tidal forces. What is the densest planet in our system? The correct choice is Earth. Where is the Kuiper Belt positioned? Here is the answer. Past Neptune. How many Lagrange points are in a system? Answer 5. How does a protostar generate energy? Time's up, it's contraction! Who discovered the Galilean moons? The answer is Galileo Galilei. When did Apollo 11 land on the moon? Did you guess it? The answer is July 1969. Why is Mars's surface red? Did you guess it? The answer is iron oxide. What is the second brightest star? The answer is Canopus. What is the Schwarzschild radius of the Sun? The correct choice is 3 kilometers. Who calculated the first stellar parallax? The correct choice is Friedrich Bessel. Where is the Great Attractor located? The correct choice is Centaurus region. How is the Hubble constant expressed? And the answer is km s MPC. Why is the GZK limit significant? Here is the answer. Cosmic rays. What is the spectral class of a brown dwarf? The answer is L and T types. When was the CMB first predicted? Answer: 1948. Who discovered the CMB radiation? The answer is Penzias or Wilson. Where does the S process occur? The answer is AGB stars. How many stars are in Alpha Centauri? Answer 3. What is the mass of the M87 black hole? The correct choice is 6.5 billion Sun. Why is the Ryanization epoch important? Here is the answer. First stars. What is the closest galaxy cluster? The answer is Virgo cluster. Who proposed dark matter in 1933? The answer is Fritz Zwicky. When did the Big Bang occur? Time's up! It's 13.8 billion were. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trivia. See you next time.